Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube Shorts in full screen on PC. YouTube Shorts are designed for vertical viewing, but if you want to watch them in full screen on your PC, there's a way to do it. Whether you want a larger viewing experience or prefer a cleaner layout, I'll show you how to watch YouTube Shorts in full screen on your computer. The first method is to use the default full screen mode. And to do that, just open YouTube on your browser and find the short video you want to watch. Let's access youtube.com, and then once the website appears, click on the shorts section or search for the a short. Now after that, click the shorts video to start playing it, and after that press the F key on your keyboard or click the full screen icon at the bottom right corner of the video player, or in this case the top right corner. Let's try F. This is me when I pressed F, and I can try to click on the full screen icon right here on the top right. This method works, but the video may have black bars on the sides since shorts are in vertical format. The second method is to adjust browser zoom settings. And to do that, while watching a YouTube short, press Ctrl and plus or CMD and plus on Mac to zoom in. Let's try it. As you can see here, I'm kinda zooming, but it's not quite full screen mode. The third method is to use the developer tools. And to do that, just right click on the shorts video and choose inspect. See here. Let's try this method. And you're gonna click on inspect and look for the player size element and modify the height and width to fit your screen and refresh the page to apply changes. This is an advanced method, but the other methods are way better. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you watch YouTube Shorts in full screen on PC. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.